Struggling to expand your vocabulary in a fun, engaging way? What if I told you that you could learn new words while exploring rich cultures? Welcome to a unique approach, boosting your vocabulary through captivating documentaries. Specifically, we'll dive into films about rural Chinese life. Discover how these visual stories can transform your language learning journey. Documentaries offer an immersive experience, far beyond textbooks. They provide authentic language, spoken by real people in natural settings. Visuals offer crucial context, helping you grasp meanings effortlessly. No more guessing. See the word in action. Understand its nuance. Rural Chinese documentaries are especially powerful for this. They expose you to unique cultural terms and regional expressions. Learn vocabulary related to farming, nature, and ancient traditions. Explore community life, family dynamics, and daily routines. It's a window into a world rich with new words and insights. Now, let's explore effective strategies to maximize your learning. First, practice active listening. Don't just hear, truly listen to every word. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and how words are used. Next, master contextual clues. The visuals and surrounding dialogue are your allies. If you encounter an unfamiliar word, look at what's happening on screen. Often the meaning becomes clear through the visual narrative. Third, embrace note-taking. Keep a dedicated vocabulary journal. Jot down new words, their context, and even sentences from the film. This active engagement solidifies your learning. Fourth, repetition and review are key. Revisit your vocabulary regularly. Consistent practice ensures long-term retention. Finally, utilize subtitles effectively. Start with your native language. Then, switch to the target language as your comprehension improves. This dual approach bridges understanding and immersion. Rural Chinese life documentaries are a treasure trove of linguistic and cultural richness. They offer a unique window into a world often unseen. You'll encounter vocabulary related to agriculture, like terrace fields or rice paddies. Discover terms for traditional crafts, such as silk weaving or calligraphy. Learn about family dynamics, like filio, piety, and ancestor worship. Explore the rich vocabulary of festivals, from Lantern Festival to Dragon Boat, and the diverse landscapes, from karst mountains to bamboo forests. These films are not just educational. They are deeply moving and inspiring. Seek out documentaries like The Last Harvest or Return to the Village. Many platforms offer a wealth of options for exploring this genre. In summary, learning vocabulary through documentaries is incredibly effective. It combines education with cultural immersion and pure enjoyment. You gain not just words, but a deeper understanding of the world. Start your vocabulary journey today. Pick a documentary and dive in. Share your favorite rural Chinese documentaries and new words in the comments below.